Hey, Merry Christmas and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be building this real great God Gundam. It is such a fun kit to build and the design is so amazing. Not to mention the knobs are mostly undegated and the color separation and articulations are so great. This kit looks almost like a master grade, and I've stopped building bigger scale kit for a while. Maybe it's time for me to clear up my backlog. There are 12 runners and all the parts are so small, especially the head parts are super tiny. The kit comes with regular stickers. I've only used the metallic ones and I'll be applying water decals later. I painted most of the parts except the gray for inner frame, and I kept the original white as well. I've changed the hand color to gold because I think this metallic orange looks kind of plastic, but I guess I should have used metallic orange paint instead.
Ho ho ho!
It was absolutely fun building this kit, but most of the parts are so small and it took me forever to look for them when I drop anything. When hyper mode is activated, the energy multiplier opens up on the chest. The shoulder armor is raised, the 6 wings deploy, and a ring of light appears on the back. Opening these double jointed hatch, you see these 3 barrel machine cannons mounted on the upper chest. A pair of beam swords that is slid into the rack of the side skirts. The katana-shaped blade beam swords, also known as the God Slash. And the claws mounted in forearms open up when the God Finger attack is performed. found this high grade from my backlog. Let's build this as well. This kit is a lot more simpler than the real grade, and you'll have to spend more time on fixing the nubs. It took me less than 3 hours to snap build this kit. The real grade version is definitely more preferable, and everything of the kit is more enhanced and realistic. But if I have to do modifications, the simple high grade would be a better choice. These high grade stickers are such a turn-off. If I could have more time, I'd rather paint all the details. I thought I couldn't make it for this Christmas episode this year, but the snowstorm today in Toronto have grounded me at home. All the flights were cancelled. Hope you guys liked my video today, and don't forget to hit the like button before you go, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Wish you all have a wonderful Christmas and happy holidays. See you next year.